downloaded all of these files, let's review what's in them. I suggest starting with the course data sheet. This is an in-depth reference if you're wanting to get a good sense of the course. It provides you with a course description, information about the intended audience, the learning objectives, details about how the course maps to the certification exam, talks about the ways in which you might think about delivering the materials, recommended instructor preparation, as well as a detailed table of contents, including course materials, detailed timing, and a link to the aligned segments of the online training on Microsoft Learn. Next, let's go ahead and examine the trainer handbook. This is the detailed guide that is used for teaching by Microsoft technical trainers and learning partners around the globe to prepare to teach these materials to IT professionals in business settings. To supplement that, we've created an educator teaching guide. This is a guide for faculty who are implementing the course in academic settings. It includes detailed explanations of the course materials, technical requirements, and setup. It also includes recommended resources for preparing for the certification exam, accommodating students, and remote teaching. Next, the PowerPoint files. These are the ready-to-teach slides that you will use in the delivery of the content of your classes. Next, we have the assessment guide. The assessment guide provides guidance on the development of formative and summative assessments for your students. We also have lab instructions. The lab instructions contain examples for educators to demo with students. You will also find a trainer prep guide. While you may consult this document, it is intended for Microsoft certified trainers. Each of the materials contains a change log. The change log will help you to understand what has transpired in each update. What was the main update? What topics were added or removed? If there were any global changes across all modules. This is an incredibly helpful file to consult anytime you receive information that updates have been made.